warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alfi Aulia Ayunina. I would like to present about my seminar title proposal. The title is Investigating Teacher Preference on the Use Speaking Strategy in SMA IT Al-Uswa. Well, let's start to the background of the study. The previous studies state the related this study from Safrizal 2017 have found the research about several strategies in teaching. This research concludes that teaching speaking with several strategies can improve student ability. While another study from Vijayanti 2018 and Sofyan Agani 2019 using grouping as a strategy in teaching speaking. Hence, think parser strategy has found by Suprabharti in 2018. From all the previous study, all of the researchers have researched about several speaking strategies, but all of the previous study don't discuss about what teacher preference on the use of strategies in teaching speaking. So the reason why I choose this study, I would like to know what the teacher preference in strategies used in teaching speaking at SMA IT Al-Uswa. Now let's move in research question. I have two research questions in this study. The first one is what are the speaking strategy used by the teacher to teach speaking, and the second one is what is the most effective teachers strategy in teaching speaking in different level. I'm sorry, there is a typo in the second one. It should be what is the most effective teacher strategy in teaching speaking in SMA IT Al-Uswa. Well, we will move to the review of the literature. I have three big main to discuss in review of the literature. The first one is teacher preference. Perception is the process by which an organism detects and interprets information from outside world through sensory receptors. It's quoted by Farlex in 2014. The second one is teaching speaking. As stated by Kai 2006, speaking is a productive skill in oral mode. This is, like other skill, is more complicated than it appears at first and involves more than just saying words. The last it discussed strategy. A variety of teaching speaking are used in classroom for many situations. Among others, teaching speaking strategy are simulation, communication game, discussion, and drilling. The last one, research method. In design, the research will use descriptive qualitative to determine the result of research question. Qualitative study, as stated by Creswell in 1994, is a holistic approach that involves discovery. Qualitative study is also described as an unfolding model that occurs in a natural setting that enables the researchers to develop of detail from high involvement in actual experiment. The second method is subject and setting of the research. This study will conduct in SMA IT Al-Uswa, Surabaya as the location of the study. The subject of this study is an English teacher of this school, and the researcher will conduct classroom observation and begin with the interview the teacher to get the information after teaching process has been done. Data and source data. The data used in this study is the strategy that the teacher used in teaching process, while source data in this study are file note. The source of this study is from an English teacher SMA IT Al-Uswa, Surabaya. Next is data collection. This study using several methods to obtain the data. There are interview and observation. Well, the instrument, I used two instruments. The first one is observation field note and the second one is open-ended question. For the data analysis technique, the researcher analyzed the data